To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull upwards to unclip the cord. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Use an 8mm or 5/16 socket or a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws securing the filter housing. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF1519 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the bolts. Reinstall the hose. Reinstall the cord. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the sensor clip. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.